Good morning and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Sarah. I am a new high school teacher. I was teaching middle school for 2 years, 7th grade science, and now I am moving up to high school. So I'm cycling up with my first group of kids I ever taught, and I just got the keys to my new classroom yesterday. I am so excited to be able to start decorating this space, but this room needs a lot of love, a lot. So today is day one of going into the classroom and starting to do work. We're going to be doing some deep cleaning in there today. I think my mom may come help me a little bit in there because this room needs it. I definitely am moving to an older school than last year's, but I'm still super duper excited. So I'm gonna bring y'all with me to go start cleaning. Yesterday I got the keys to the room, so I did like a little empty classroom tour, so I'll insert those clips now if I haven't started y'all off the video with them. So let's go. I'm in my new classroom. I definitely need to paint. Like, you just see the layer of dirt, but I can paint. So I'm about to flip y'all around and give y'all a little walkthrough. There is my school name on a lot of stuff in here right now, so I am gonna have to cover some sections, so just keep that in mind. This is where I walked in, so I'm gonna turn y'all around. There's the room. So we'll start off this way. So we got our door, windows, the call box. I have a sink. I am so excited. I loved having a sink in my other class. Oh gosh, there's a lot of stuff down there. So I loved having a sink. I'm very excited to have another one. Then I've got my whiteboard and new line board. And then there used to be a sink here that they had to take out, so I'm just gonna have to make sure I block this. And it looks like these are the cords to access the projector and board. There's a desk here. I don't know if I'll keep it here. And then we've got all the desks. I've got 2 AC units, a full-size window, which is awesome. We've got a bulletin board there, a whiteboard here that this projector shines on, and then the big cool things. This is our science closet. I'm blocked because of waxing right now, but let's see. There we go. This is my science closet, so me and this teacher share all of this equipment to be able to use in our class, which is really cool. And then this door, this is a personal closet for just me. I could not be more excited about having all of this storage space. This is going to be a lifesaver for not having to have it in this room, because this room is smaller than my classroom from last year. But to be fair, this year I'm teaching family and consumer science, so I'll be bringing the kids to the kitchen when it's time to sew or cook. So I really am only in here for notes and test days, and any day we're doing anything really hands-on, I'm bringing them out of this room. So yes, I'm so excited to get started. I just got to the school. I picked myself up a smoothie, so I'm about to go head in. I think my mom's gonna meet me in about 30 or so minutes after me being here. I got, what did I get again? Oh, metabolism boost strawberry pineapple. I don't know if the metabolism boost does anything. The strawberry pineapple is good. So anyways, I'm about to go head in. It's going to be maybe a few trips because I have got like a bucket back there full of cleaning stuff and my Swiffer in here. I brought a bin yesterday of cleaning stuff, so I also have to juggle my smoothie and the water too, which are, that's all my hands right there. So, but I'm gonna go ahead inside and bring y'all with me. I made it to my classroom, so I brought in all the cleaning stuff, and my mom said she'll be here in a few minutes now because I was roaming the school while I waited, and I'm just so excited. Being in here makes me so excited for the year to come. So and don't worry, today's outfit, y'all can't see it, This is an outfit to get dirty in because we will be, because let me just show y'all some of the grossness. So here's my monitor. The last teacher let someone shove gum in it. You can just see the layer of dirt right here. There's things drawn on the wall, stuff left on it. There's something inappropriate on the wall down there. Over here, it looks like someone was measuring their height in the classroom. Like, okay. The room needs some love. And I am allowed to paint. So what I was thinking for painting is we keep it at a neutral color for a majority of the walls, maybe even a shade brighter. This feels a little gray and dark, but maybe that's just the dirt. We'll do one wall all black. And I was thinking maybe this wall, but with the whiteboard, maybe not. So I was thinking maybe this wall on this side that's completely blank would be nice, because I plan to make a DIY bulletin board situation over there. So like if that whole wall's black and then I do like my pink bulletin board over there with like LED lights around it, it'd really pop. So then that could be where I put like our anchor charts and like our big to-dos over there, so that this is like its own thing, remains clean. We'll see. My mom said she's on her way now, so we're gonna start cleaning soon, and I'll take y'all along on that process. Most of it will probably just be clips of us getting to work, because I think watching us clean for a long time will get boring very quickly. So I plan to be putting in the minutes today. Right now it's 9:45, so we've got a long day ahead of us. And then after cleaning today, I'll probably go home, clean myself up from being in here. And I'm going bowling tonight with my best friend and her boyfriend. So I'm excited about that. That's the overlook of our day. So let's get cleaning. I'm gonna go run over there real quick to find Goo Gone and sponges so we can actually like really start cleaning, because it needs the Goo Gone. This is all of my classroom nonsense, like stacked to the floor. I've got to find where my Goo Gone and sponges is in this mess, so let me get to it. It is so hot. I am not looking forward to the day, and I've got to come get all of that out of the garage, but I couldn't find the rest of my cleaning stuff, but I grabbed a staple remover because that was up top, and I'm borrowing my mom's cleaning stuff. I'm gonna go run to the Dollar General right outside the school to hopefully just go find a quick pack of like sponges for us to use on some of the stuff. So yeah, it's hot. Love Louisiana for that. Woo. So and Dollar General, and then back to the classroom. Goods acquired. Just about 2:50. My mom just left. Jonathan just showed up to take over her shift. We've got a lot done, but it doesn't seem like a lot but there was some stuff done. So I'm gonna turn y'all around so y'all can see. There he is. So this entire wall right here has been scraped, puttied, and is ready for paint. We started this wall. I started to clean the whiteboard. Y'all saw me scraping this. It's before and after. Very gross. So Jonathan just took down this board for me so that we can paint under it in case I don't want that board there. And then my mom cleaned the windows and those AC units. But we also did have a pretty long chatty lunch in between, so that is the current update for day one. Jonathan and I will probably do a little more, but that's about it for day one. So a few science teachers just came to the school, and I was able to chit chat with them, and one of them told me there's a hack to the lights to change it to this warmer color instead of this cool. So Jonathan's about to go switch all the lights for me to make the room warm so it feels more inviting in here instead of like a prison cell. Yes.
That's a hack. A switch.
Oh, one of the biggest things I forgot, my mom fully cleaned the sink. So she got all of the old temporary IDs off of here and cleaned the whole top. She also discovered that under here that the water valve was off because it's leaking. So I need to put in a maintenance request to make sure my sink is able to function. Jonathan and I are calling it a day for today, so we're gonna go head home, eat dinner. Yeah, Jonathan did just get here, but he says he's tired. But he changed my lights to warm, so he was a big help. Anyways, we are gonna go head home, and then we're going bowling tonight with my best friend and her boyfriend. So we have to go now, but I did show y'all we got a lot accomplished. At least having one full wall ready for painting is good progress in my book. I'll be back on Monday to do more classroom setup. So I hope y'all subscribed and stay tuned so y'all can keep seeing how my classroom takes shape. Bye.